Okay, so we're gonna do an isolated chrome nail design. I already started to buff this out. So this is just for if you use the colored gel as your base, you can literally just go in and buff it out. Make sure you buff it out really good. But if you didn't do that, right? Let's say you did a polish and they want isolated chrome on top of that gel polish, we are going to go in with this matte top coat because it is chrome resistant. So we're gonna go in and use just a thin coat of that. I would say you can try, if you already have a matte top coat, you can try that out to see if it is if it's chrome resistant. Not all of them are chrome resistant, so I would try it out like on a sample before you do it on a client, but this one for sure is chrome resistant. So we're gonna cure that, and while that's curing, we're gonna grab a black gel polish, and you want to grab one of these. This is the one that I use, but there are a lot of like sculpted gel paints that you want to make sure that it says no wipe. That's like the main thing, that it has to be no wipe. So we're gonna grab a little bit of that. You literally just need like a tiny little bit, just like a tiny little bit like that, because honestly a little bit goes a long way. And on here I'm just gonna do a little dollop of black, just like the tiniest little thing, because like I said, a little bit goes a super long way. And then we're gonna mix these two. Just gonna mix them really good. It doesn't need to be super black. This is just so that the chrome has some color to kind of like shine over through. Okay, so that's all we need right there. So now that this is cured, you see it has the matte. We used this matte top coat. And then we're gonna grab, like just with our brush. This brush, you can't see it anymore, but it's from Amazon. I have it linked in my storefront. It's from the Westonia brand, that's the brand. So, and let's just say we're just gonna do we'll do like a stardust. So we'll get a little bit of this to do like the little dot in the center. And then we're gonna go in with this brush and do our design. Easier to do the designs on these things than it is on the client's hand, because you can just turn them anyway. Another key thing with this is you want to cure for 30 seconds only. If you cure for more than 30 seconds, the chrome is probably not going to stick, because then it's going to be like way too cured. So just 30 seconds. Okay, so now that cured for 30 seconds, we're going to grab our chrome. This one is just from Amazon, but my favorite place to get chromes from is Daily Charm. Their chromes are honestly the best. And then we're just gonna rub that on there, and as you can see, it's not really sticking on to where the matte is. It's really just sticking to the design. And then you could just grab any of your dusting brush. I personally like to use this one because this one's like a lot softer, and then just brush that off, and then that's it. You get like a couple little speckles, but really there's not much left behind. And then after that, we just go in and we top coat. I'm gonna go in with my favorite top coat, and then just top coat that. Okay, and that's it. That's how you do your isolated chrome. The top coat and these, I have them linked in my storefront. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any more questions. Bye.